see those are the bubbles that we need to come out. And we keep letting it bleed until all the bubbles eventually stop. Could take up to about 5 to 10 minutes.